He said it's the newest one, bro. Yo, what is good, boys? What's good? What's good? Not even gonna lie to y'all. I am so tired. I don't know why I'm tired, bro. I don't know. But I'm halfway done editing this YouTube video for y'all. Yeah, like I said, I'm editing the video. I'm probably like 75% done. And yeah, that's the vibe. So make sure I go watch this video. All right, y'all. So nothing that I had planned went planned yesterday. Today's a whole nother day. Like, I didn't go hang out with Rod. I didn't even get to wash my car, bro. Like, nothing went as planned. Like, I want to wash my car so bad. Nothing went as planned, bro. But we got the inventory here. Let me show you. Real clothing brand owner things. I might need a pick later. This will be tough if I get a pick. But yeah, guys, like, literally, I want to wash my car. Like, do y'all see this? Dirt coming down here. More dirt, bro. Just dirty. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little gap, right? The fitment a little ass. And this is coming off, bro. And how this came off is because the damn garage, it didn't let me know that like my car was so close. It didn't even stop. And it hit my diffuser and my tips. So now my diffuser is coming off. It was stuck together by glue. So now I gotta go get some more glue. All right, boys, I finally was able to get a car wash. As you can see, he's cleaning my car right now, doing my wheels and stuff like that. I got a couple things I want to do to the car, bro. Not gonna lie. I seen a steal on the Facebook Marketplace. I know this dude too off TikTok. If y'all really like tapped in with me, you know that like I'll be uploading car content. I love cars. And somebody got a steal for some clear tail lights, so I'm thinking of getting them. And then also, I want to match it with a clear diffuser. So basically, I'll just be like black and whitish silver, like those color tones. But I feel like I need to do my wheels as well. But I might just find a steal on some wheels. Guys, I gotta call BMW, bro. There's something wrong with my freaking car, bro. It says my parking button isn't functioning. Now I gotta call. I don't remember the process I did last time, bro. It's the same freaking thing over and over, bro. So now I gotta go get a tow truck. I'm actually kind of tired of this. Y'all might see me freaking, man, never mind. I ain't gonna say nothing. Por favor, presione el número 2. It's so hot outside too. I was waiting outside for this thing to get clean and this freaking happens. So now I'm not gonna have a car for a couple days. Probably because I gotta fix it, bro. If you are in an emergency. I'll see y'all soon. 338. Chad. Gotta get it towed up. Now I'm stuck. It's hot. I don't even know.
Yeah, like I said, it was, you told me to do what I was doing.
Yo, what's good, y'all? I know. Let me pick y'all up. Chat, look. All right, so in the house we stay at right now, right? All right, y'all, so look, at the house I stay at right now, we have an empty room, right? And right now, all the inventory's in the garage. We like, bro, we could literally move everything in here. So that's what we finna do. This finna be a clothing brand area. And yeah, shoot. Honestly, it wouldn't even be that bad if I moved in here for real. I move all my stuff in here. And this will be my workspace. But I don't even know if I'll do that. But yeah, so we finna get to cooking. I'll see you all soon. What's up, Tube? Look, this is the process, bro. We moved all the, inventory we had left over from Atlanta, moved it here. And yeah, this finna be like, I don't know. But basically what's going on is I be having calls, he be having calls. So just finna go use the stock room for now. Unless something changes, just so you know, we don't talk about each other and stuff like that. We're on calls and making TikToks easier and stuff like that. So yeah, but finna set this room up, make it look clean. You know what I'm saying? So when we ship orders and stuff like that, Yeah, this place to be lit. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Just want to update y'all. All right, y'all. So I completely got this area now. I don't know, just a change of scenery, bro. Like, I don't even know why it came to my head, because nobody else thinking about it. I was just like, bro, I'm just gonna come in here. Like, I mean, I kind of understand why I did think that, though. Because, like, nine times out of 10, bro, like, I'm not finna say I'm antisocial, but I definitely like being alone. And everybody in this house knows that actually stays here. Got y'all, so, actually, let me just walk y'all in first. It's just something pretty calm, bro. Just the work area. Got my monitor, got my game in chair. I literally just moved everything over here. Stand for the videos. I don't know. I just got some disinfectant wipes over here. And then I got all the little camera stuff I need. And then over here, sample rack. That's where I keep all the samples. And then I got this Asian computer I just bought, but I'm about to probably return it because I don't really need it like that. I bought this for TikTok Lives, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know about them TikTok Lives like that. They cool. But yeah. I like this. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like, you feel me, it's chill, stuff like that. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna just charge my camera. And I'm finna go to the gym with some of the guys, man. It's finna be lit. We've been hanging out a lot recently, man. I like that a lot, bro, that I get back up with the guys. Like, y'all, these people I be hanging out with, I've been knowing since high school. So we finna get back up later today, go to the gym. I'm not gonna record that. This vlog went all over the place. I don't know when I'm picking up again, but I'll see you all soon. Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good? New day, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, when I first picked up the camera, what was that, like Wednesday or something like that? Like, I was supposed to get my car clean. I was supposed to do all this other stuff. None of that happened. Now it's a whole nother day. It's Saturday. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We finna go to the Derby. We finna go to a pop-up shop. Man, we finna get up with some other guys. Man, today finna be lit.
You're not gonna see anything else in Fort Worth.
Yeah, this is nice. Nah, the view of the hot tub.
Plenty of food, but the hot tub is something properties don't build.
Yeah. All right, boys. So I just toured a penthouse. It was cool. Honestly, they overrated though, y'all. Really, really overrated. It's bro. Y'all see my house, bro. Like, the space in there is terrible for the price. Terrible. I don't even think I'll move into a penthouse. If I find a penthouse for like what, 2.2, I'll move in. But like, dog, like, it's not worth it. The view ain't even really hit like that. Maybe it's just the area I'm in. Like, bro, I'm trying to get like a good ass view. I'm in Fort Worth right now. I don't really think the view hit for real. But yeah, that's the vibes, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, penthouse suck. But y'all seen the view and stuff like that. I couldn't really record like that. But yeah, we got some stuff to do. We finna hop in this whip, man. And yeah, go ahead and go on about a day. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Y'all let me know right now. Should I go ahead and get remote start? Should I go ahead and get remote start, chat? Should I get it? Woo, woo! Yeah, boy. Say what's up to the vlog. All right, boys. So we just got to the Derby, and I see an AMG and a Lotus. I'm finna show y'all. So first things first is this beautiful ass AMG. I love the color of this, bro. This is really, really tough. I love the front of the AMGs as well. Like, I just like this. You feel me? This is tough. I got my, you feel me, whip right over there. But also I see a Lotus, bro. Look at this Lotus. I ain't gonna lie. It's hard. I like the Lotus a lot. I love the build of it. I love the look. This old M3 is hella tough. I'm not even gonna lie. Hella tough. I think it's an M3. Yes, M3. This is tough. I like this. This also over here as well. Oh. This AMG is tough too, bro. Damn, that pink Cadillac, that's hard. This AMG hard as hell too, though. This is tough. It's hella tough. I like this. The color, bro, is tough. This Rolls is hard. I'm not even a Rolls Royce type of dude either, though. I love the rims on them, though. The wheels is tough. Chad, this is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. He said it's the newest one, bro. $1 million. Just for this. That's crazy. I don't think people understand how much bread you gotta make to have one of those, bro. Like, that is crazy.
So combined, this thing makes over 1,000 horsepower with its V12 and its electric motors. It does 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. It's electronically limited to a top speed of 220 miles an hour. Lamborghini says this thing can do 250, but the tires would blow off the car if they tried. So it had to be limited to 220.
Oh, this is crazy. I'm gonna need me one of them. 225, 20 years old. We gonna get one of these. We got to.
So yeah, actually the car is on right now just to be...
Chat. Right now, I'm eating a cinnamon roll. This is the best cinnamon roll I've ever had. This is a good cinnamon roll. It ain't all sweet. What you think? I'm finna kill this, bro. I got a bacon sandwich. Wait, huh? What's that bacon? I got a burger. What am I talking about? She got a little chicken sandwich. Boy, watch. This place gonna be demolished, man. All right, boys. So we are in the heart of Dallas, Texas right now, right? And we're going to a pop-up shop. It's a dude who run a brand. I know him. I seen he posted a flyer. I was in the city. I'm like, I'm just finna see what's going on. Like, get some inspiration. Feel me? I might want to go to a pop-up. Y'all never know. I might actually host my own pop-up. You feel me? So, you gotta go see what's going on. Nice ass elevators too, bro. All right, we're going to the first floor. Yeah, guys, probably not gonna record too much in there, but chat, I had to tell y'all, bro. She could tell y'all too. Actually, tell them what happened when I was eating.
He was eating his burger, and it started off good, but when he tried to finish it, he just couldn't. He like threw up. Going up.
I didn't throw up. What are you talking about? See,
What did you do?
chat, she's not allowed on the vlog anymore, y'all. I apologize for the inconvenience. Look, y'all. This is what happened. So, boom, I'm eating a burger. And then, hold on, my camera tripping. My camera tripping. I'm eating the burger, right, chat? So, I'm eating the burger. And, like, halfway through, I get to a side where, you know how sometimes the bun gets really, really soggy and the bread start falling. So I'm like, it is what it is. So I'm just gonna eat the burger. I'm just gonna eat the meat. Right? Ate the meat and I just felt something so weird. So I just spit everything out and I almost threw up, bro. So yeah, bro, it was weird. Like nigga, I almost threw up like a baby. But chat, it's loud. I'll see y'all in a second. Hey, yeah, I'm in Texas. I'm riding in the Lexus, as you can see. Hold on. Yeah, I got CL on me. Hold on. Wait. I'm on this beat. Hey, I'm trying to go. Trying to go with the flow. Before I take your girl. Before I take your hoe. It's like I'm just playing. I want my girl. Hold on. Alright, boys, so I just got back home. And, where do I even start? Oh, let me fix my hair first. It ain't crazy. I mean, I was just on the road for a little minute. That's why. I don't know what was in my hair. I think it was a lint. But yeah, guys, I'm back home. It's about to be thundering for the second day in a row. So I'm not finna go anywhere. I was going to literally go out and make some car content for my car channel on TikTok. But that's not happening because it's raining. And tomorrow, I do plan on actually, hopefully, if the place is open, washing my car on Sunday. Just so it looks better on videos and stuff like that. But, yeah, bro. I think I'm finna just get on TikTok live, man. If y'all really, really tired with me, bro, you know I'll be on TikTok live, just chatting, talking to people about their brand and rating brands and stuff like that. So it'll be lit, bro. So make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok, at Jahbrazy IG if you want to tap in. But, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this same fit on, bro. And just... yeah, but guys, bro, I forgot to tell y'all, bro, the penthouse, the 1x1 bedroom was literally as big as my freaking room. Like, when I toured it, I was like, bro, what the hell? Like, this is my room, chat. This is how big the penthouse was. This is just my room. This is my room, bro. I don't know why the gimbal did that. I don't know. The gimbal was tripping, chat. My bad. But... yeah, this is literally my room. Why I keep calling y'all chat too? I don't know. But yeah, this is my room, bro. My closet was literally bigger than the room, bro. I was like, nah, I ain't finna stay here. But yeah, chat, I don't know what I'm finna do. I don't know when I'm finna pick up the camera. But today was pretty cool. It didn't go as expected. Also with the pop-up shop was not it at all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I walked in there for 5 minutes, I left. Like... I like, nah, this ain't it. So I just left. So, yeah. Finna get on TikTok Live, and I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.